Guys, today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to recover the Forget Wi-Fi password in Windows 11. Step by step, I will guide you. And look, this video for the educational purpose, and this method is very safe and secure. Now, step number 1. First, we need to open the notepad slide. As you can see, here is my notepad slide. We just need to write this simple script on a notepad and then copy the script. Now move on the stack Noah 2. Now we have to open the partial terminal. Simply press the Window plus X key together, then click on the terminal as admin. Now this will open the partial slide. Then after this, simply paste it here, the script. Click on the Paste tab. Now, the script has been pasted. After this, simply press the Enter key. Now, the command was successful. As you can see, here is the SSID number, names, and here is the password. So with this simple step, guys, you can easily recover all the saved Wi-Fi password on your host machine. I hope you guys like my content. Before I sign out, do not forget to like, comment, share, and follow my channel. Thanks for watching.